Hi! In front of me is Nokia C31 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. After that, click on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here you need to select Theme, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Then just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, click on Next. Now adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it. Tap on this bin icon next to key borders and choose Yes in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon instead and making your changes. Then click on Next, adjust brightness, tap on Save and choose Apply one more time. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!